In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cursor in Roblox Studio. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up a custom cursor for your own experience in Roblox Studio. So to start, I recommend creating the script first, and afterwards you will be able to look for the actual cursor that you want to use. So on the right side of the screen, under the Explorer tab, you will be able to find Starter GUI, click the plus sign, and then create a new local script. So I have created it already. So this is what it should look like. First, rename it to whatever you want. So cursor, custom cursor, player cursor, it doesn't really matter. And once you have this name set up, you will have to copy this code. So the first line should be local space mouse space equals space game dot players dot local player and then get mouse. So copy it exactly like this. Make sure that you capitalize the necessary letters, and then on the second line you do mouse.icon equals and then rbx asset id like this. Make sure that you copy everything and you don't miss any of these individual letters and characters. With this done, you will now be able to look for your mouse cursor. So I recommend going over to the cursor store, or the creator store, sorry, and you will be able to look for images here. So once you find a specific cursor that you like, usually under decals, you will be able to right click it after you open it up and then copy asset ID. So right click the cursor, copy asset ID, and then paste it here. With this done, you will be good to go. Now you can go ahead and play your experience, and as long as the script runs successfully, you will see your new cursor here. So you can clearly notice that I have the cursor working. You might have to customize the size because some decals will be way too big, but you will have full control all over it. And as long as the script was created properly, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to add cursor in Roblox Studio. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.